In this video, I am going to show you a website where you can sell t-shirts and make thousands of dollars a month selling t-shirts. And this website is redbubble.com. As you can see, it gets almost 30 million visits a month. And don't worry if you don't have any graphic design skills. I am going to show you where to get absolutely free designs that you can sell on this platform for absolutely free. And for those who have some budget on their hand, you can go on to Fiverr and type in t-shirt design, and you can hire someone for $5 to make you a t-shirt design. There's even a seller right here that charges $1 for t-shirt design. So basically, if you don't want to use the free option that I'm going to show you, you can come onto Fiverr and pay someone $5, $10, depending on your budget. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create an account with Redbubble. So you want to come to redbubble.com and you want to click on sell your art. So once you do that, you want to click on start selling right here, and you want to fill in your email, your username and your password, and you want to click on sign up. So once you do that, you are going to receive a message that looks like this in your email. All you just need to do is click on get started right here. So once you click on get started from your email, it's going to bring you to this page right here. As you can see right here, create your product, set up your shop and get paid. So don't worry, you are not going to be doing the shipping and handling of this product. All you literally need to do is host your design on this platform, and whenever someone purchases your t-shirts or whatever product that is on your store, Redbubble is going to give you a commission of that sale, and they will do the shipping and handling for you. So once you come onto this page right here, the first thing you want to do is to create a new design. So you want to click on this add new work, and then you want to click on upload new work. All right, so I am going to be using this design as an example, and like I said in the beginning of this video, don't worry, I am going to show you where you can get free designs. As you can see, I have uploaded my design right here, but for some reason it's blank. You may not be able to see it, but don't worry, you will see the design in a moment. All right, the design is this one right here. So this is the design right here. The more people I meet, the more I love my dog. As you can see, this is a very simple design and it's going to catch the attention of those who are interested in dogs. All right, so once we come right here, you want to give it a title. You want to add in some tags right here. All right, so basically you want to add as many tags that are related to your design, and you want to add a list. You want to add some description right here. So I'm just going to go with this. Okay, as you can see, this product right here, you can see this is a standard t-shirt, this is a large t-shirt, this is a cap. Basically, these are the products that is going to be displayed on your store. So if you don't like some of these products, so let's say you don't want to add this mug on your store, all you just need to do is click on this disable right here, and it won't appear in your store. So if you don't want these mugs also to be shown in your store, you can click on this disable right here, and also whenever you want to show it, you can click on this enable. All right, so basically that is how you disable some product that you don't want to appear in your store. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to edit each of these products to make sure the design looks good on each of the products. So if I click on this edit right here, so you want to choose a color for this t-shirt. So if I click on this red one, you can see we have our design right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the design that is going to be displayed in the store. And also Redbubble gives your visitors option to choose any color of t-shirt they want to preview the product. So I'm just going to leave it as this red right here. You can adjust the design however you want it. If you want to increase the size, you can click on this size of product right here, and it's going to increase or reduce the size. All right, so once you've done that, the second thing you want to do is to edit the price of the product. As you can see right here, the default commission that you are going to get for this design is 20%. If you want to earn more than 20% of each of this sale, all you just need to do, for instance, as you can see this one right here, 24.72 cents. So if you want to make more than 20% per sale, then you can increase it to, let's say, maybe 50%. And if you also notice, the price will also increase as well. So basically, this is the price the customers are going to be paying, and you will be getting 50% of this $30 right here. So basically you'll be taking 15 and Redbubble is also going to be taking 15 as well. All right, so basically that is how you can edit your prices right here however you want it. Okay, so once you're completely done with that, all you just need to do is click on this apply changes. So once you do that, you can go to the next product right here. So if I click on edit, and also you can change the color to preview the design, and like the previous one, you can also scale it or reduce the size of the design. So basically that is how you do the same strategy for all of the products that you want to be displayed on your store. You can see they have so many products right here. Whichever one you don't like, all you just need to do is click on disable right here, and this product will not be shown in your store. So whichever one that you want to make sure it is enabled right here. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll to the very bottom of the page, and you want to choose this is not an adult product. Okay, and you want to click on no right here, and you want to make sure this is set to public to make sure everybody sees your product. And you want to click on this terms of service, and you want to click on save work. So once you do that, you can see right here it's processing it. So processing is complete. All right, as you can see, this is our design on our store right here, as you can see. Okay, so basically if anybody comes to your store, this is your store right here. Anyone who comes to your store and purchase these t-shirts, you will make money. All right, so basically before you start making money, you want to complete a final step, which is to add your payment details. All right, so basically you want to add your name, your last name, your address, your country. You want to also add your payment method. So once you're done with that, all you need to do is click on save. So once you do that, and your store is going to be live, and you will start making money in passive income with Redbubble. And also, if you don't want to wait for Redbubble to drive traffic to your store, you can go on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you can drive some traffic to your store. And whenever you make any sale, you will get whatever percentage you set it to be, and the shipping and handling of the product is going to be done by Redbubble. Like I said, I am going to show you how to get free designs for your store if you don't have money to hire a designer. So basically I'm going to be sharing this link with you. I'll be leaving it in the description below, so you can come on to this link right here. So if I click on these docs right here, so if I click on this one, you can see this is where I got this design for. So if I click on, let me click on this image right here. So as you can see right here, this is where I got this design from. The more people I meet, the more I love my dog. So I am going to be leaving a link in the description of this video, so you can download this t-shirt design and you can use them for absolutely free. And also, if you don't want to use that, you can go to a website called png3.com. You can also download a lot of free designs right here. As you can see, you can download these designs and you can upload them on Redbubble. All right, and don't worry, it is absolutely free to use. And also, they give you 2 designs to download per day for free. So you can come onto this website and type in anything. So if we say dog, so if we type in dogs right here, so you are going to see a lot of dog design right here. You can see this is one right here. So there are a lot of dogs design right here that you can use. You can download these images and you can go on and post them on your Redbubble store, and you can start making passive income selling products on Redbubble. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value, please leave a like on this video. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, then drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.